Beautiful people, it's me, Pamela, on my YouTube. Cho, no, what's the T? Siyahlaziya.
Guys, remember I had actually mentioned the Zulu king, Umisi Zulu Kazwelithini, will address my foreigners there at the Sandlana. He did exactly that. Although obviously, I mean, people will never be satisfied with what he says, you know how it is, masabantu. Khona abanye bathi uthini kahle hle asikuzwe ukuyibona leyo nto leyo. When you were saying ukuthi kwasayona lo KZN lo Natal iwona inkinga mhlambi but people don't understand akusale nje uKZ kube uKwaZulu phela like ukubona leyo nto like hayi so jakuzwaniwe because of that. But he had promised ukuthi yena lo msindo lo is not the first time soza phela umsindo wama foreigners guys, and it looks like now Tina we are the ones that are actually entertaining them in our own country. And he's just mentioning that whole thing. Not anytime soon, anyways. But there are measures and things that they can be done. Ukuhambisa abantu emakubo. And mina nje ngeke ngihlale ekhantrini bengibhesha bethi yewe like ngakithi mina I'll never bother. Now I would have gone home. It's the same as in America. Nase-America abasabafuni bakhathele ibona. And abanye basema-UK benza izinto engekho right. They are actually exhausted. You know, Dubai, for example, I'm a Nigerian afuniki. So yes, with some of countries they don't play with you. As soon as you come in at the airport, they're like, climb. Or be like again. Tabang. So saying plane tickets or flight tickets, you're there for nothing. So other countries don't play. It's not just time to glal. Sinothanda ukudlalisa, and honestly fanele ukuthi abantu bayebuke lento eyenzeke eDilton Primary School. Kuqala kwathiwa 90% of the students there, of the learners there, are foreigners. Manje sekuthiwa 580, and uJacinta is like, I don't even believe that number. I-spokesperson bese besifonela sayibambe ifoni. So yabona ukuthi we are being played here when we speak up about certain things. It's like uthini wena khuluma ngani. Shut that mouth. Ukubona. That thing that's happening there at Eddington. And the kuthiwa kunabantu there who are staying around there. There's a flat there who were placed there, those people from other town where they were floods. Then they were brought here. Which is a walk to Eddington Primary School. Babathathu. The principal, phela mina ngitshela ngathi mina ngiblame principal, ngiblame i-admin, iyathengwa i-admin normally yasesikoleni. I've seen it happening. Thengelwa ama-sweet nama-chips nama-cake abazali bathi miyibamba uzomfaka mina wami umntwana shemla. There was even a rumor yokuthi abanye bakhipha 5,000. Why guys ungaprioritize ama-South Africans? And la msindo lapha e-Eddington ngeke uzophela until that is done. Njalo makufika thina ama-South Africans e-Eddington kuthiwa kugcwele. The school is full. How is that school full? No, this thing needs to be tackled kahle nje proper ngoba i-problem ne these things don't end well. Akhumbule KZN ke yaka bakhona futhi lento le yama foreigners kwaenda phasexaxana sekushawana sekuyize nofeuphi. Uyabona ukuthi it doesn't end well bese kuthiwa sina xenophobic, and we actually not. I'm not, man, anyways. But there's certain things or feel good. No, actually I'm done. I'm tired now of you. Just go back home, you know?
Sewuzulu sihlangane amakhanda washo umndumane wathi hlangana mhlathoza naye Zulu mnyama kakusiqali lo abantu bofika kulelizwe umdlukumbane eyikhona lenkinga sedlula kuyo isikhona ke futhi manje ngesikhathi sami zulumnyama ngisho ukuthi kase kuxwayi lokhu udala umthetho ngisacela ukuthi ke nithembise nje into eyodwa zulumnyama bengabanga umsindo onke amagubu omhlaba mdala lo msindo lelizwe leyindawo akho umuntu othinta lelizwe uKwaZulu la sisemkhankasweni ukuthi sisuse lo Natal ngoba uthanda ukusidalela inkinga vele ethi KwaZulu lo Natal angikwazi ukuthi ungiwani yiwo lo Natal lo zulumnyama usidalela uTalatiya uKwaZulu njengegama lami nje ngizomisa uZulu mina ngizomisa uZulu angiveli ukuzomisa uNatal ngaprofitwa ngingakazalwa ngisho ukuzalwa ukuthi ngiyosiphatha mina lesi sizwe ngalesi sikhathi zulumnyama ngesikhathi sami ngiyanithembisa akukho mpi esizoyiphaka sokhuluma nje nabo ukuthi sisukani la akekho umuntu ongenalo ikubo bakwethu inganda kodwa zulumnyama sikhumbule futhi ukuthi siphakathi komkhosi wokweshwama ngisafakwe ingubo emlonyeni angikwazi ukuqeketha kakhulu inhlambelo isemanzi liyakhumbula ibutho mhla ngelikhipha ondini ngomsombuluko ukuthi inhlambelo isamile zulumnyama niyakhumbula lothi ke mase kusho inhlambelo bese sihlala phansi ke sikhuluma indaba zaKwaZulu nezwe lethu ngintandane mina wahamba umhlobo mbani nomama ongizalayo wahamba kodwa ayikho intandane KwaZulu ayikho umntanakho umntanami ngiyangenza akekho umuntu la ongenalo iphakelo lakhe ngiyangenza akengene lapha ke zulumnyama ukuze siqondisane nje lo mcimbi lo esikuwo namhlanje akusiwona umcimbi kahulumeni wayengekho uhulumeni uJinindi ePhakaleni wayengekho uhulumeni wayekuhulumeni kwakhona uZulu la manje uhulumeni engagaqeli ukuthi ngoba nakhe ephethe imali thina singenamali ngisenembuzo njalo ukuthi isizwe sicebe kangaka kungani sihlupheka kangaka nenkosi yaso khona ungahambi kahle ukunuka amakhala siza kulandela size sikuthole mina besilo uNkulunkulu ngizanimela unginikeze mina lesi sikhathi uNkulunkulu angisize nedlozi nomsamo kaZulu ngoba yimina ophethe umsamo wenu ngikhuluma nje izibani zenu ziyasha kumanje zimile zulumnyama ndlela zimhlophe angizukwanda kakhulu ngoba nedlozi liyoze lingishaye nenhlonipho lokhu okwenzakala eDingini siyalimala lapho kodadewethu ibawaqomile namakwelekwele uthi wamela abashana sekhona bashana bethu Kumele sihlale phansi izulu omnyama ngesichitha ingqubunga ukuthi sikuthini lokhu ngoba noma ngabe umshana wami uzalwa ikwelekwele alihambe ikwelekele sala umshana kumele kwenjalo kodwa futhi izulu omnyama siyadinga ukuthi sakhe ubuhlobo nezinye izizwe susu singalwi Beniyokonywa nje kutholwa amageba keniqonywa amavenda namalokhu nakhona la ekhaya bakhona naseZimbabwe kwentamzelikazi bayamazulu ningakhohlwa singawulimazi umlando ososhangana eSwazini manje namlando umfazi eSwazini namlobola nonke yini manje asiyibambe kanjalo uzulu omnyama ngibambisene kahle noPrima wesifunda ngibambisene kahle nondunankulu wami kaZulu ngibambisene kahle futhi nomongameli wezwe ngiyayivula iminyango izulu omnyama ukuthi emashobeni izikhalo zenu ihlombe lenu uzulu omnyama ngiyangizwa lisemashobeni wozani emashobeni umzi wasemashobeni sibuse umuzi welembe eleqama yamalembe ngokukhalipha unodumehlezi kamizi ushaka shayeki isilo sasemashobeni sivusile lowo muzi ngoba sivuse okudala la sodingida khona iy'ndaba zakwaZulu ngakho Zulu omnyama ngalo mzuzu ngicela ukuba nginibonge nibe nami kwaze kwaba sekugcineni ibutho likaZulu besifaka besikhiphe ey'nkantolo namanje ngisasenkantolo kodwa lokhu nimi nami Zulu omnyama uthando lwami enginalo nenhlonipho engithanda ngayo bekanindlebe phansi ukuthi nginenkinga eyodwa lokho ku-Facebook anginakho mina kanti kuthiwa kuyapostwa kulezi kuyapostwa kube ngiyazenzela heyi ngangixoxa nani zonke iy'nsuku ngiyakuvala njalo Zondi uManqenzi oke wakhuluma kabi ngami ngoba angazi ngithukelani zengane ziyangithuka iy'ngane angitho wonke umuntu ukhuluma into ayithandayo lapho kuma-Facebook ngithukelani yazi mina ngihlonishwa nayintsheketshe itsheketshe liqhamuka liyangikhothamela mina itsheketshe manje lokuchashaza umuntu nje Zulu omnyama asibe munye ngoba isihlalo engihlezi kuso simele ubunye nokuthula lesi sihlalo sikhandwe ngegazi nalesi sizwe siyayazi impi thina bengasisi-ke thina empini siyakwazi ukungalali emakhaya sihlale ey'ntabeni abangasisi labo asisikho isidingo salokho Zulu omnyama namhlanje kunento lekuthiwa youth likaMentshisi ngiyalivala namhlanje uthi likaMentshisi lolodwa nje lashisa izwe lonke le-South Africa uthi likaMentshisi ngiyalivala malifuna ukulwa anoza nocela umnikezi wempi qala impi ephakwe yisilo iyanqoba impi ephakwe ngabantwana iyehlulwa nanti ishiyana ujinini lo ephaka la ukuthi naseniyaphe eshiyane lalana bhaqabulwa khona abantwana base beshiselwa yigazi bathi hayi so ngoba ayizoshawa khona.